In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cash App loans or borrow money. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So Cash App, the popular mobile payment service, offers a convenient feature that allows users to borrow money. So to do that, so if you're doing it on Android, the first thing you want to do is open the Cash App. Now tap on the Money tab, so it's located at the bottom of the app's interface. Now scroll down and select Borrow. So tap on it to access the borrowing feature. Now, before you can borrow money from Cash App, you may need to unlock the borrow feature. So follow the prompts provided within the app to unlock this feature if necessary. Now you want to choose the loan amount. So after unlocking the borrow feature, you'll be able to select the loan amount you wish to borrow. So Cash App offers loan amounts ranging from $20 to $200. And now, once you've chosen your desired loan amount, Cash App will present you with different repayment options. So select the repayment plan that suits your financial needs and preferences. So before finalizing your loan request, carefully review the loan details provided by Cash App. So make sure you understand the terms and conditions, including any associated fees. Now simply accept the terms and conditions and you're good to go. Now, if you're doing this on your iPhone, what you want to do first is open the Cash App, select the Cash option. Now choose the Borrow option. And again, choose the desired loan amount from the available options presented on the screen. Select the amount that best suits your needs. Now you want to select a repayment option, review loan details, and again, accept the terms and conditions. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.